Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to gain access to product information if you are interested in a particular product and you would like to know more about it on the Redbubble application. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the search bar and open the or select the kind of product that you are interested in and would like to know more about. Then scroll down till you find product information, so just simply tap on it, and now anything that you would like to know about this hoodie is available to you. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.